Alright, so installing the EAG sliders. Got our assistant Walker here. Shout out to Core Off-Road. Here, just an eBay brand, but you know, I've had them on my Jeep JK for a couple weeks now, and I like them. So Vince Devin over here, he got some. Yeah, we're gonna rip these guys off. Plastic. Rip these guys off. Stock hunters. Walker. Want to say hi to the camera? It's Walker, the goodest good boy. We're spraying a little degreaser on it.
Blaster.
A little PV blaster. Get under the bolts. Alright, so we're about to impact the 6 bolts off in the bottom. 17mm. One down. 5 to go.
Alright, stop filming real quick. So the next part for getting off the factory steps, if you will, there's 6 of these 13mm bolts, and there's some in the back here as well.
Oh yeah, those are just little
bolts,
studs.
Little studs you gotta take off as well. And you'll be ready to install the sliders. You got the very last 10mm nut coming off. There were 6 of them total, 2 right here, 2 in the middle, and 2 up front. And basically at this point, your factory is gonna just slide right off. Pretty simply, just like that. Bam.
Alright, now you hit him with the impact gun.
Crawling under it, rock crawler.
Oh, rock crawler.
That rock crawler, right? More like a mall crawler. You're gonna have to go to the outlets after this. And that's it. Let's get this out of here.
Here's what the final product looks like. There's the before. Plastic. Coming back to the other side. A nice steel.
Before it disappears. Not that I know you do it on purpose.
Done. Alright, so the install is complete. Here's what they look like. EAG rock sliders. Looking really good. Give them a follow on the Instagram. Locomotive.
Studs back here.